DMX protocol is very important to understand when working with any type of lighting fixtures, because the DMX protocol tells you exactly how that light is going to operate from your lighting console. The information in the DMX protocol calls out exactly what that light does and how it functions in response to DMX or ArtNet or SACN, any form of DMX essentially. So by reading the DMX protocol, you can learn what the features and functions are of that light. If the information is not in the DMX protocol, then the light probably doesn't have that feature. So the number one place to learn about a moving light or any type of light is through the DMX protocol. All the Martin fixtures have a control channel that you can set and change different functions from DMX or ArtNet or SACN, or even from RDM. And the control channel allows you to make different settings live from your console or programmed into cues. And there's many exciting things in the control channel that you can operate, and it's important to understand what they are. Some of the key ones for Martin is that you can change to tungsten emulation mode, where the fixture will behave as a tungsten fixture. You can change the fan settings to make the fixture be quieter for certain scenes where you want it to be super quiet, then put it back in its normal mode when you're finished with that scene. You can change the dimmer curve. You can even access some other really great features through the control channel, such as the hyper zoom that is found in the ultra wash. And that changes the behavior of the lenses to give you even narrower beams. So understanding and reading what the functions are in the DMX control channel can give you lots of options to enhance your programming and your usage of the fixtures. The Martin Animotion feature is really exciting. It's a patented feature that we've utilized in our hard edge fixtures that have a white light engine since the Quantum Profile. And you'll find Animotion in Quantum Profile, in the Encore Performance and Wash, and also in the Ultra Performance and Wash fixtures. And what it is the LED engine in all these fixtures is a round array of LEDs, and we break that array into segments. In some fixtures it gets as many as 10 segments, and we can create chases between those segments, so you can cause the light engine itself to chase it very fast, very slow, in all different methods using Animotion. And it's a very exciting and unique feature that gives you a totally new tool, because we're manipulating the light engine directly as opposed to the old school lamps that were just on or off. So by breaking the light engine into zones, we can create many unique and exciting effects. All Martin lighting fixtures have internal effects channels that allow you to trigger pre-programmed effects in a multitude of different styles from those fixtures. So for example, you might have the new Martin Mac Aura XIP, and you can have internal effects that will change the colors, will alter the pixels, might move the fixture up and down, left and right. All different effects can be selected through the effects channel. And what's great is we give you a very easy method of programming. There are two effects channels. One allows you to select the effect, and the other channel allows you to adjust the speed and direction of that effect. And then you get a second pair of those same channels, so you can run two effects at one time. So for example, you could have a color effect running on the first pair, and you could have an intensity effect running on the second pair. And by doing this, you can create lots of really unique and interesting effects from your fixture without having to use multiple DMX channels or complicated console effects engines. A lot of the Martin additive color mixing fixtures, such as the Aura PXL or Aura XIP, include a virtual fixed color wheel. And this DMX channel will have pre-selected colors that you can just select from that channel without having to color mix them. However, the real power of the virtual fixed color wheel is making use of it with the internal effects. I can apply an internal effect from the fixture that will make, for example, a X pattern rotate across the fixture. And I can color that X pattern to make it any color I wish. So now I've got a red X, for example, rotating on the face of the fixture. If I then enable the virtual fixed color wheel, and I put that in a blue color, it will turn on the LEDs that are not creating the red X in blue. So now I've taken what was a red X on a black fixture and made a red X on a blue field in that fixture. So by combining the internal effects with the virtual fixed color wheel, you can create a second layer of color quickly and easily.